Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the Wood Scout travels to the Ash Plains in Vocabland, a land shaped long ago by fire. The ground feels quiet and gray, with no trees and no sounds around. A new word fits this empty feeling: desolate. Desolate means a place that feels empty, lonely, and without life. The journey continues through dust and rocks with nothing much to see. The silence makes the land feel even more empty. Looking closer, something small begins to stand out. A tiny flower grows in a crack, adding a touch of color. Even a desolate place can still hold signs of life and hope. Timo remembers that an empty, lonely place is called Desolate, and he's ready to continue his journey.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.